Hi guys, Sandy from Exceedable here. Today we're talking about my channel, about how it's going, where it's headed, and most importantly, the many mistakes I made that have spelled out disaster for this channel. The idea here is sharing all that I've done wrong so you won't have to. The last time I made a YouTube update, it was on the channel's first birthday, on June 17th, 4 months ago. And at the time, I was close to crossing the 1,000 subscriber threshold, and already I was seeing that things weren't going that great. But at the time, I was hopeful that things could change, that I could turn things around. And now, I'm just not anymore. Initially, the Exceedable channel was created as a channel for entrepreneurs who wanted to do their own thing and work from home and possibly have an online business, because that's what we knew about, that's what we had been doing for the last couple of years very successfully. But then I realized that the subject just wasn't something I saw myself talking about for years and years to come. So we decided we would also add personal development to the fold. Our mission has always been helping you guys live a life that exceeds your expectations, live your best life. So we figured personal development fit into that and we could talk about both. The thing is, the personal development niche is extremely saturated, filled with these amazing, inspiring, awesome people who have been doing it for so much longer than me. So needless to say, the personal growth videos never really took off. After 5 months of making 2 long videos and a couple of shorts every single week, after buying new equipment to up the quality of the videos, we didn't have much to show for it, until we started talking about the Great Resignation. Now, those videos immediately did so much better than the others. And I love the subject because I identified so deeply with all these people who were quitting their jobs to look for a better life for themselves. And as someone who has quit dozens of jobs during her life for the exact same reason, I could definitely relate. There was just so much going on, new things to say every week. But that was my first mistake. Then December came and I had one Great Resignation video do much better than all others. My watch hours exploded, loads of my videos were getting seen, and I thought this was it. And then after a month, almost to the day, everything stopped. That video died, the videos I made about the Great Resignation were doing better than the others, but not that great, and I felt like I had less and less to say on the subject. So I decided to go back to my initial idea, the subject I loved speaking about. Except now, all those subscribers I had gotten during December were here to hear about jobs and money and the Great Resignation, so my numbers were just lower than ever. As the first year deadline approached, I was getting more and more nervous, because in order to monetize, you need 4,000 watch hours in the last 365 days. So from the moment the channel hits 1 year, those first year hours just start to get wiped out. Most importantly, if I got to December before monetizing, I would lose about 2,000 watch hours and would essentially be starting over. So that's when I made my second mistake, which was to put growth ahead of consistency. Here's the thing, my shorts were never really very successful, but I figured that if I made shorts featuring other people, famous people, delivering the same message I was trying to deliver in my channel, that was enough of a connection to make sure that the people who found my channel through shorts would like my content. So that's what I did. I started using other people's quotes and statements as inspirational shorts for my personal development channel. And that slowly started working, and I was getting new subscribers every day, even though my watch hours weren't really improving. But hey, one thing at a time, right? Then I found this streak. People were really responding to the Neil deGrasse Tyson shorts. But Neil deGrasse Tyson doesn't really talk much about personal development, does he? He does, however, talk a lot about religion and the afterlife and global warming and AI and all of that. So that's what I ended up publishing. And all of a sudden, I found myself getting hundreds of subscribers a day. The channel was growing like crazy, but the subject had absolutely nothing to do with the point of this channel. I kept telling myself I would get there, that from all the millions who were watching my shorts, surely I would get, a couple thousand who actually like my content, right? Well, I did get some people, but not nearly enough. And that's how I effectively killed my channel. Okay, here's where we're at right now. I have about 4.5 thousand subscribers. I am getting 68,000 views in 48 hours. But this is what my long video performance actually looks like. And that's what it has looked like in the last few months. As of today, I have 2,282 watch hours, and sometime last week I had over 2,300 watch hours. I'm losing watch hours every day. It is moving backwards, not forward. And quite frankly, I'm done. The great majority of people who are subscribers to the Exceedable channel do not want to watch Exceedable videos and don't care about what this channel is about. And that is totally on me. So as of now, I have started to delete shorts, the hundreds of shorts that didn't feature me. And I'm left with my top 3 Neil deGrasse Tyson shorts, which are the ones holding up the views. And I will be getting rid of those 2 shortly. And once I do, my views will go down to possibly less than 100 a day, and I will possibly start losing subscribers like crazy too. And that's totally okay. So first, I would like to apologize to you guys, because for all of you who have subscribed to my channel because of those shorts, this channel clearly did not live up to your expectations, and I fully expect and understand if you decide to leave. The same goes for all the subscribers that joined us because of the Great Resignation videos. While I will continue to make videos about the subject whenever something important happens, I will not continue to make regular videos on the subject. And last, but certainly not least, to all the subscribers that joined Exceedable because of the personal development videos and got something entirely different instead, because I just kept going back and forth. It must have been confusing at best and frustrating at worst. And I also apologize because unfortunately, I cannot keep this up. I can honestly say I have given my all to this channel. I really did. And that it has taught me so much more than I could ever have expected when I started. At the same time, I have recently started a new channel. It's a completely different niche, one that was supposed to be a hobby, to take the pressure off from doing Exceedable all day long. And from the first day, it's been doing so much better than this channel. In fact, for all the videos I have published so far, I have had better numbers than for my last couple Exceedable videos, which says a lot, I think. I have 44 subscribers for that channel versus 4,500 subscribers for this one, and I am getting better views. At the same time, there is a third already monetized channel, which is a new project I'll also be telling you about down the road. But the point is, these new channels have to be my priority because they're just the closest chance I have to start making money from YouTube sooner rather than later. And there just aren't enough hours in the day to handle 3 YouTube channels, create content, long and short, and keep up with the quality. Something has to give, and at this time, Exceedable is the weakest link. If you had told me 6 months ago that this is where my life would be right now, I wouldn't have believed you, that I would end my relationship, leave my home, move back in with my mom, start a new YouTube channel, join another YouTube channel, and drop Exceedable. I just would not have been able to wrap my head around it. But life is what happens when you're busy making other plans, I guess. So from today, I will try my best to publish 1 video per week on this channel. I will also try to keep up with the shorts from my videos and will not be publishing any more videos from other people. Now, this probably means I won't be able to monetize this channel like ever. But I'm okay with that. I'm letting all my expectations about this Exceedable channel go and doing it for fun rather than business strategy. I hope you understand, regardless of whether you decide to stay or leave. I will be grateful for you either way. Thank you for going on this ride with me. If I have been able to entertain you for 1 minute, it was worth it. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.